Step 6. Apply the accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. So I'm going to click C5 to C11. I'm going to come to my Home tab, and then I'm going to come to the Number panel. By picking the accounting formatting, we move the dollar signs to the left, we add a decimal point, and 2 more places to the right of the decimal point for the hundredths place, tenths and hundredths place, and then we have a look of money. But what's key is our dollar signs are lined up on the left of the cell and our decimals are lined up all the way straight. And now you can see accounting format. I'm going to save for step 6. Step 7. Insert an if function in cell E5. So I'm going to click here in E5 so you know where we're working at. And calculate the total due. So my Dotson, who bought a silver ring, is going to cost $400, but he's also going to have it personalized. When he goes to have it personalized, there's an additional 5% charge, and that happens to be way down in cell B21. And here's cell B21. So I want you to see where we're going to next. We're going to grab that from cell B21. So we need an if function that says if Dotson, yes, paid for the personalization, then his $400 ring is going to cost 5% more for a surcharge. Let's get started. We're going to click in cell E5, go up to the formulas bar, and now we're actually looking for a logical argument. If this is true, then we need to apply this, which we're applying a personalization surcharge. We'll go to the logical formula book and we'll come all the way down 3 spaces to if. If function is a logical check. If it's true, it's going to add the 5%, and if it's false, it's not going to add anything else in our case. So we're going to click the if. A function argument box appears, and our logical test is if D5 equals yes. And I do want to wrap a quote around the capital word yes, because I'm telling Excel that yes is actually not a numerical value, it's a word value. And if yes, if it's true, then I want Excel to take the cost of the ring, which is cell C5, shift and plus, and parentheses, to the cost of the ring times, which is shift 8, our cell B21. I click B21 and I close my parentheses. Now what is important here is we need another absolute cell reference. The surcharge for a yes is always going to be 5%, or the value that's in cell B21. We could actually change the value of B21 and our formula will automatically calculate it in case it goes up to 6 or 7%. So we need an absolute cell reference. I'm going to highlight cell B21. I'm going to hit my F4 key. And then I have wrapped dollar signs around both the column and the row. So Excel will only look for the value in cell B21. And then if the value is false and the ring is not personalized, or it says no, then the only value Excel should return is simply the cost with no additional. So up here in the function bar, you can see how we made our formula, and let's click OK and see if our if function calculated. Our $400 ring now should become 5% more than $400. And it did, $420.